Hello, my dear students. Now we are going to talk about absolute value. What is absolute value of a number? Always remember this. It's a positive number. It's always a positive number. And let's make some examples here. What is the absolute value of negative 10? Remember I said it's always positive. It's going to be 10. What is the absolute value of minus 5? It's going to be 5. What is the absolute value of negative 79? That's going to be 79. Whatever the number is. What is the absolute value of minus 8,549? It's going to be 8,549. And how about the positive numbers? As I said, it's always going to be positive. Absolute value of 10 is, this is already a positive number. So let's just write down 10. So it's going to be the same. You don't have to change the sign. Absolute value of 7, it's going to be 7. Absolute value of 11, that's going to be 11. Absolute value of minus 28, that will be regular 28. Absolute value of a number means it's the positive of that number. It's going to be always positive. Let's practice.